So that's where I came from. And onward. It's windy. Slipperier than I expected. I'm going this way and I've got an hour and a half before low tide, so I think I'm in good shape timing wise. Going up there. Right, first I'm going across here and I might find somewhere nice to sit and have a light lunch. I think I'm about 5 kilometres in. Just under halfway. And that wind, Lindsay warned me to avoid a southerly. It's not the worst southerly, but boy, it sure is adding a layer of challenge. Sometimes I'm going sideways instead of forward, which is better than backwards, isn't it? Okay. I thought it was going to be really rainy. Okay. First climb with a fully laden backpack. See if I can do it. That was a big step. Going this way. Made it now to find somewhere to have a wee break, I think. It's getting a bit more sand duny now. Interesting. Trail markers going up, 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 up. Oh well, guess I'll go the same way. Oh, I made it to the third marker on the dunes. This is hard. I don't love dunes as it is, but today with the pack, not so much. Anyway, I think it turns into rocks soon, and the next 3 markers are up rocks. Oh, I'll come back to you with a report. I don't know where I go around next, but while we're here, you can see the east coast, and that's looking north where I came from, and there's the west coast, and we're going this way. I don't know if you can tell quite how steep that was, but it was something. Wow. Okay, onwards. Okay, came from over there and I walked up and over that and down around there and still going. Haven't looked at the app recently because it doesn't seem to be accurately reflecting where I am, and what it does tell me I don't want to know. It's still too far. But yeah, we'll get there. Still 2.5 kilometres. Okay, 2.5 kilometres to go, the sign said. It also said it would take about an hour and a half, so I guess it's going to be up and down, sandy, slow going. Only real deadline is beating the rain because dark is about 4.5 hours away, so if I don't beat that, I've got other things to discuss. But the clouds are getting darker. It'd be nice to set up my tent in the dry, so onwards.